Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 9275 Big Tree Road in Hemlock.
This is a spectacular nature's paradise on 5 private acres bordering a creek.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Welcome your family and friends with this grand 2-story foyer with side lights and beautiful hardwood floors. Open to the formal dining room with a recessed ceiling and a spacious living room with a bay window, all with great natural light.
Enjoy phenomenal open country living with this great room, featuring a beautiful kitchen with gorgeous wood cabinetry, an expansive center island breakfast bar, and newer floors. Open to the dining area with a cathedral ceiling and deck access. And family room with a stunning brick fireplace complemented with accent windows. All with an adjacent powder room, laundry, and scenic country views.
The excitement continues upstairs with 4 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, including this spectacular owner's suite with a walk-in closet and spa bathroom. What a great place to relax. This architect designed and quality built home by An Lee has excellent craftsmanship and is evident in the details.
There's nothing like the peace and quiet of living in the country. With 5 scenic acres to enjoy from the expansive deck overlooking the sprawling backyard, plus the must-have country front porch to sit back, relax, and take in the beautiful landscaping.
This private nature paradise on 5 acres borders a creek. What a great way to enjoy such an inspirational setting. Nearby this property is the hamlet of Honeoye and beautiful Honeoye Lake, known for great fishing, boating, and waterfront activities. Here we are at Hunt Hollow Ski Club. What a great place to ski! Just minutes away from Honeoye Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 9275 Big Tree Road in Hemlock.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!